Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
From Back Bay.
From Virginia Beach, Virginia. And it's December the 13th. We're gonna go back out on the water. It's like gonna be 75. We got our little Santa hats on today. Okay, here we go. And this is what's on the other side. It's quiet and the sun's out. Very nice.
It's about 70 degrees and we're out here at Back Bay near the Sandbridge. And there's Nancy. We have our Santa hats on today. Very pretty.
And we're out here by the island, going to traverse around it, and there's lots of duck blinds sitting out here. Maybe we'll take a closer look at what a duck blind is.
There's a duck blind and we're going to go check it out because I don't even know what a duck blind is like. So there it is, and there's Nancy. It's nice out here. There's the duck blind. I want to get a little bit closer.
It swallowed up Debbie. Somebody call the Coast Guard. Somebody call the Marine Police.
This duck blind, it's like a little platform. It's really cool. And you're out here. There's Nancy.
They just recently made that.
Yeah.
It's new lumber and
New boughs.
I was gonna get out.
Well, I'm glad you decided not to get out. We're just kind of floating out here.
I am slowly moving actually now.
Gonna go over to the little island with the fallen over dead tree and get out. Well, I'm gonna attempt to get out. I think I have a technique now where I can get out. Okay, I made it on the beach. I didn't get wet. Yay!
Good job, you did great.
I pulled my little boat up so it wouldn't get swept back in by the massive tides. Okay, we're on this little island. I think this is Back Bay Island. I can't remember what it said. Uh-oh. Here's a pile of bear berries. Oh, there it is. I don't know if that's just poo or just a bunch of berries. I don't know.
Is it warm? No. It's fresh though. Really? Let's go. Come on.
We're not going to eat lunch.
Oh, there's bears here. Are you crazy?
Do you think there's bears here?
I don't know. I don't know how big this is. This is a pretty big island.
It's pretty big. Well, yeah, we can. I don't think bears are going to mess with us, but maybe I should get the paddle. We found this little island. We're getting ready to have some crackers and peanut butter, and we just stopped here. I was feeling pretty good till we saw some bear poop.
We think it's bear poop.
We think it's bear poop, but
sure.
it's not really hot. But I didn't really touch it either, so. Anyway, a little bit of cracker.
Crackers and peanut butter.
I'm on bear watch. I think there's bears on this island. And I'm all freaked out. I need to
Got a ladybug.
smell bear or Bigfoot. You smell that? We better get off. I'm out of here. You smell it? Is that Bigfoot?
I never smelled Bigfoot before.
It smells musty.
Maybe so. I think she's watched too many documentaries. She's putting on her Santa hat. She's much more limber than I am. But and we are off. Ready to roll. Okay, we're ready to roll. Going to go around the island a little bit and see what's on the other side. Goodbye, big tree that fell down. You sure are pretty. And we're around the one side of the island. And that's the road right there that goes to Back Bay. So we're going to head back and explore the little cove by the launch beach. So we're looking for a back way. Nothing?
No. I thought this would be it. There's a small one, but it's kind of little.
Okay. Looks like people have gone through there before. Disappearing into the marsh. She thought I was crazy for doing that up there by the visitor station. But it's all in exploring. Let's go up a little closer and see what we can see. And it was a dead end. But here she comes back through after exploring.
I'm stuck.
Now she is free.
Woo! That was fun.
Yeah.
Here comes Nancy. We're exploring some little back coves. We're still looking for the other entrance outlet to this place we launch at.
Going through the hole. Here's the hole. Okay, made it through the hole. We're back at the beach. And it's just time to explore the little cove. Butterbuds singing. It's very quiet, very nice. So you say there's a beach up here?
Just a little one, but it'd be much closer to the car.
Okay, are you going in?
Yeah. I will go first. Might be a little bit harder. Okay, so it was my bright idea to find this smaller piece of beach, and it cuts off some walking because carrying these things is always kind of hard for me. So gonna be really sandy, and I'm such a weird about my car. But anyway, Nancy's coming on in. It gets really shallow, but the water's warm. I literally have flip-flops on, and you could literally just step in the water. So she doesn't want any help, so she's gonna I think the wildest thing out there was Nancy.
I'm really in a lot of water.
Yeah, I would pull you up if you'd like.
No, I need to.
Well, people help me all the time at the beach. I appreciate their help. I ended up having to step in the water because you can see everything's at an angle, and there's tons of sand here, which is nice.
You did?
Yep.
Snakes over here.
Yeah, you just go to the other one. I'll meet you over there.
How am I gonna learn how to get out?
Well, if you let me pull you up some, I think you could be fine. I mean, I got my feet wet. That's the only reason I could do it. Okay, well, I pulled her up a little bit, and we did the sand, and she is determined to get out this way. And here we go. This is a tough exit, but woo, she did it. Let's have a smile.
I got a little wet.
Oh, that's not bad. So she'll be riding on the trunk.
Here's a map of the Little Island Park Launch. Let's see. We're at 6. We're right there. Oh, that's the strip. Okay. Okay.
Wash her off.